Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can set custom vibration on iPhone. So for that you have to go to your call log list and you have to pick a number for it. So I'm going to my call log and I'm going to pick a number. So from here I'm going to pick this number, and from here you just have to tap edit button, which is the top right corner, and then swipe down. And if you want to set custom vibration for your ringtone, you have to tap ringtone, or if you want to set custom vibration for your text tone, you have to tap text tone. So I'm going to set custom vibration for my text tone, so I'm going to tap text tone, and then from here you have to tap vibration, as we are going to set a custom vibration. So from here you have to tap create new vibration for it. So if you create your new vibration, then you will make your own kind of vibration. So from here you have to tap the black screen to create a custom, and then you have to tap save. So this is how you can create your custom vibration for your text tone and as a ringtone also. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.